Welcome to Tech Business. Today I'm going to show you how to set up your SEO, your WordPress blog SEO with rank maps. If you are new to blogging, you'll be hearing SEO. So, what is SEO? SEO is just search engine optimization. If you go to Google and search for SEO, you get results from Google himself, and then you get results from search engine and WordStream. Before it was Ahrefs and Semrush was ranking for this keyword. So what is SEO? So now let's learn about SEO. What is SEO? Let's go to music, because most have the purest definition of SEO I've seen on the internet. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization, which is a set of practices designed to improve the appearance, positioning of web pages and organic search results. Because organic search is the most prominent way for people to discover and access online content, a good SEO strategy is essential for improving the quality and quantity of traffic to your website. Why is SEO important? On my own definition, before we go to this, SEO is important because the aim of us is to drive traffic to the website. So when you have not properly configured SEO to drive that traffic you need to your website, what's the need of having a blog? It has no need. So SEO is one of the most important things you should focus on if you want to make money as a blogger. Even if you have millions of followers on social media, you want to target everything, you still need SEO to really maximize that people you are targeting. Is very important. To understand the value of SEO, this is break our definition into parts. Organic search results. The unpaid listing on a search engine result page. SEF that the search engine has determined and most relevant to the user query. Ads. In this context, PPC or pay-per-click ads make up a significant portion of news webs. Organic search results are distinct from these ads in the day in that they are positioned based on the search engine's organic ranking algorithms rather than advertisers. You can't pay for your page to rank higher in organic search. So organic search simply means you can't just pay to rank higher. As illustrated on this picture. Now let's say let me go to Google again. Now let me search for Redmi. Let me search for Redmi Fold. Redmi 14. These are the Redmi 14. GSM Arena is ranking at the top because Google have recognized them as they are best in giving GSM updates. So they are ranking. If you come down, you will see this one. Then you will see this one too. And there was a site here that was ranking after JSON Marina. I don't know if the search is down, but within the search so but they are doing very well. They are doing very well. They have done a beta SEO on their site, and Google they have built a brand about having a phone, having it to review a phone, having to review phones. And this is the work of SEO. And this site is about something user. So they have everything required for them to grow in this thing. Now let's search for iPhone 14 Pro Max. They're still ranking. Let's search for taking common 19 Pro. They are still ranking. This is the power of SEO. This is the power of SEO. Now let's go to business. Which one should be for business? Which one should be Business Insider? Business updates. The Business Insider. Let's see. So let's search for make money. Make 10,000 naira daily. Okay, how to make 10,000 naira daily. Banana. Oh, make money. Now this hosting is ranking for this goal. These are the power of SEO, and these are what you should know before going into building. These sites, they have done really well in setting up the SEO. Sorry. We'll use this to check we'll use let's use website website DA checker. Then we'll use website SEO checker. Let's use this too. Let's compare this website and see that are ranking for highly searched keywords. Okay, let's go back to iPhone. Even if you search for iPhone 13, the same base will now come out. Apple will have taken over, but they're still making the best money. Let's check the SEO details. GSM.com. Let's check the SEO details and so that you will understand the power of SEO. What is DA? DA stands for Domain Authority. PA stands for Page Authority. TB stands for most total backlink. QB stands for quality backlink and page quality. Page quality. Percentage of quality backlink. So MC most trust. Spam score. Off-page SEO. I'm 22 years old. And checking all these things, you see that these things are high. The domain authority are high. Page authority is high. The backlink is high. There is not the correct listing for the total backlink. Now, the spam score here, spam score doesn't really matter in some cases because they have authority on this niche. So you cannot just come and because of spam score you overthrow them, you overtake them. No, it's not possible. So, and also checking their age, they have really gone far in this very business. So age matters a lot, but as a new blogger, as a beginner, you shouldn't be bothered about this age. You shouldn't be bothered about this age. Now, how do you increase your DA? You increase your DA by the quality backlink you get to your home page. What is your home page? This is your home page, your domain. Let's say my domain is techdavidson.com. Any backlink I get here, it contributes to my domain authority, DA, my domain authority. Then let's say I have a post on how to make money using YouTube. Then any backlink I get on this very page will contribute to my page authority. Now, the reason why domain authority is always higher than page authority is because let's say you publish a post and that post have issue or you deleted that post when some websites have given you backlink to this very post. The page authority will automatically go to domain authority. Understand? Then, as you're getting authority on your page, it will first bounce on your domain, which will increase your domain authority before going to your page authority. So page authority is like supplements to domain authority. That's why if you check most of the websites here, their page authority, the domain authority is always higher than their page authority. And let's check on other websites. Let's check on Hostinger. Hostinger.com. You can see domain authority is higher than page authority, and they are 20 years old. Which other site can we check? Let's check on Net Wallet. Okay, domain authority are higher than page authority. Now, which other website are we checking? Okay, how to make 10,000 in a day. Let's check for Brandspot. Okay, the domain authority is higher than page authority, and this domain is ranking for this keyword. Just 2 years old. It's almost 3 years old. But you see, age, sometimes age doesn't matter. Let's check on smart base freedom. Let's check on smart base freedom. .com, right? Smartbasefreedom.com. Let's check on the traffic light. Okay. The age is this one is 3 years already. 3 years already. So the main authority is 15. Page authority is 31. Okay. Okay. In this very case. Now, as I told you, the main authority is in most cases higher than the page authority. Now, why the page authority is higher than the main authority is because of the 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 site has a low domain authority. You understand? And page authority increase faster to a limit. Now, if you understand me well, now let's say you open a new website, the first backlink you get will go to the post you published on your website. Now, once it's published on your website, you will then get your domain authority will start increasing at first, because that's what people are sending traffic. People are sending backlinks to from other people. People that copy your post, and people that want to reference your article. And this is where you go first. Then from there, it will first bounce on your domain authority, and there is some authority, and it will increase. If you have 50 backlinks on your domain authority, I have 30 backlinks on your page authority at the beginning of your website, you notice that your page authority will always increase more than the domain authority. Yes. So in some years to come, if you check this website, the domain authority will be higher than the page authority in some years to come. So that's what you should understand. Then in my next video, I will explain page authority and domain authority very clear. Thank you.